Hi, my name is Patrick Corder. Today we are here at MarineMax in Stuart. I'm going to be showing you a 2023 hull number 1 of the brand new 450 HTC by Galeon boats. It's got a gorgeous layout and I can't wait to show you what this boat is about. So here at the transom, you're going to notice a nice beautiful summer kitchen option, as well as a teak layout through the floor that goes all the way to the midship. This is a submersible swim platform and you can fit up to 800 pounds of a PWC. You also have storage underneath for your dock lines and fenders. If you make your way up towards me, you're going to have what Galeon likes to call their beach mode engaged. A staple to Galeon where you can drop down the sides of the boat. You can also have stainless steel pilings right here if you wanted to do a nice beautiful docktail event. Above here we have an open and closed shade, and then again inside outside seating for Galeon, or if you wanted to crank the AC on a hot day, you can close all this up and be real nice and comfortable. So as you make your way towards the inside of this boat is particularly optioned out with the beechwood gray here. We have a nice lounge seating, probably 8 to 10 people, pop-up TV, and one of the things that I love about Galeon that you'll see, beautiful natural lighting, big glass windows everywhere you look. So if you're driving or you're riding, you have view of pretty much 360 degrees. You make your way towards here, you have the little kitchen option that we have here, little convection stove, underneath convection oven. You have your sink and a fridge in here with a nice little freezer area. Towards the helm, an option that they put on the 400 Fly that they made to this boat is the ease of access for the captain owner buyers. So if you're docking your boat and you need to jump out and grab lines real quick, you have that with this sliding glass door. So it's super easy. Behind me you have equipped with Raymarines, Volvo Penta controls, D6 48 480s, about 27 miles an hour cruising speed, bow and stern thruster, Raymarine autopilot, and a Volvo Penta screen. So the next part I'd like to show you is the bedrooms. As you make your way down here towards the V berth, the VIP room we call it, you're going to have a twin bed set up right now. You can combine them to make a full. So if you have your favorite couple coming into town or your favorite kids, you have a couple different options set up here. Also in this room you'll have a private entrance to the communal head, as well as an entrance for everybody to come down in here. So they don't have to walk outside of the VIP room to use the restroom, which is really nice. So inside the head here we have a nice tall shower with a dry entry point to the master room. Got a gorgeous wooden pocket door, as well as a nice deep sink, and then your medicine cabinet storage. So down here in the master stateroom, you're going to notice a beam to beam size room, beautiful natural lighting, storage spaces on both sides, as well as a freestanding closet to hang your dresses or nice suits in case you guys want to have that nice dinner while you're out on the water. So here at the bow area of the 450 HTC, we have gang entrances on both sides for those nice high docks that you come into contact with. A sun lounger right here, access to your windlass, as well as a storage area, a beautiful spotlight, and then LED lighting at your feet so you can see at night. If you'd like to see this boat in person or schedule a sea trial, you can give us a call at 772-287-4495. Again, my name is Patrick Corder with MarineMax in Stuart. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.